Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to be able to calculate cumulative frequency. So I've got my price ranges in column A and then the number of products in each price range. Now the cumulative frequency calculation uses the sum function. And all I need to do initially is refer to the first frequency value. Then I put in a colon and you'll see that it creates a range reference that contains that single cell, B2 to B2. Then all I need to do is insert a dollar in the middle of the first part of this range reference. And that is locking the row reference for this cell reference. Now what this will mean is that as I copy this formula down, although this cell reference will remain as B2, this cell reference will change. It will become B3, B4, B5. So it will extend the range of cells that I'm summing up. So if I close the bracket and press enter, and then I'm going to double click on this little green square, bottom right of the cell, that copies the formula down and I get a cumulative frequency calculation. Now, if you're worried about these green triangles, all you need to do is select all the cells where the green triangles appear, go to this little warning button and then ignore the error. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.